CHCNAV X500 UAV platform, high-performance rotor drone. The X500 features titanium alloy and carbon fiber composite materials, a lightweight design, and a high-efficiency power system. With a flight endurance of 58 minutes and a 5 kilograms payload capacity, its work scenarios and range are significantly expanded, effectively reducing the flight sorties required per mission and significantly improving work efficiency. When X500 facing challenging environments, such as high altitudes, heat, rain, sandstorms, strong winds, and other challenging environments, X500 can ensure reliable performance. It features high-precision RTK and triple redundant IMUs, enhancing navigation accuracy to the centimeter level. The dual redundancy flight control offers online backup, coupled with multiple safe return strategies, ensuring stable flight and worry-free operation. The combination of millimeter wave radar and HD FPV camera ensures powerful day and night environmental perception and obstacle avoidance capabilities, detecting up to 80 meters and automatically identifying and avoiding obstacles such as mountains, buildings, and towers, while further improving obstacle avoidance success in complex scenarios such as power lines and branches. The newly developed CHCNAV Autopilot V2 high-performance flight control system has more than 100,000 safe flights. The system's robustness and anti-interference capabilities are outstanding, even encountering collisions with birds or small drones during flight. The X500 can adjust flight attitude rapidly and continue operations. Even if a propeller fails, the CAP V2 flight control also provides triple rotor spin protection, ensuring safe landings. Additionally, the CAP V2 flight control supports SLAM visual positioning, allowing for precise landings on moving vehicles and vessels. The X500 uses CHCNAV's video transmission system, providing more stable real-time video transmission and greatly expanding operational range. Paired with the SmartGo ground control software, it supports diverse flight path options and provides real-time updates on the drone status, heading, and surrounding obstacles, ensuring enhanced safety for beyond visual line of sight operations. The X500 supports dual hot swap batteries, maintaining power during battery replacement and allowing uninterrupted flight for multiple sorties. Paired with the BS10 battery station, which holds up to 6 batteries, it ensures uninterrupted operation throughout the day. Its USB-C interface, paired with the smart charging management system, enables field charging for remote controllers, phones, and other mobile devices. The X500 has versatile payload options, supporting up to 3 concurrent payloads, and is compatible with CHCNAV LiDARs and third-party devices. With an open SDK interface and Mavlink protocol, its rich ecosystem of products will continue to provide professional solutions across industries. CHCNAV's brand new X500 rotor UAV dramatically enhances aerial productivity. As a reliable, powerful, and intelligent flying platform, it makes your work more efficient.